Welcome back to our class in SMS Foundation. We are going to continue with our questions, further maths question, NECO 2021, further mathematics. This is paper 2, part 8, question 8. So this question is saying, use the binomial theorem to expand 2 minus 1 over 4x raised to the power 6 in ascending power of x and simplify all the terms. Hence, obtain an estimate of 1.975 raised to the power 6 correct to 4 significant figures. So this is a question on binomial theorem. We are going to apply the theorem. Either we use Pascal triangle, Pascal pyramid, or we use the combination approach to solve, to get the coefficients. So I come with solution. Generally, the binomial theorem, the binomial expansion of a plus b raised to the power of n is giving us n combination 0, a raised to the power of n, b raised to the power of 0, plus n combination 1, a to the power of n minus 1, b to the power of 1, plus n combination 2, a to the power of n minus 2, b to the power of 2 plus dot 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 up to n combination n, a to the power of 0, b to the power of n. Now, the meaning of this is that the binomial expansion of a plus b, where a and b are the two terms contained in the binomial expression, and n represents the power of the binomial expression. Now, this is the interpretation of this is expansion that we are going to have. N combination 0, there's n combination r represent, where n combination r represent the coefficients that we are going to obtain. And a raised to the power of n represents the powers, of the first term, which is a. So you will notice that there are some things that are happening here. As the power of n is falling, as the power of a is falling, the power of b is rising. By the time we get to the last term, the power of a would have reduced to 0, and the power of b would have increased to n. That is how it goes. Now, in order to handle this, comparing this and our given question, we have a 2 minus 1 over 4x raised to the power of 6. By comparing this and this, we see that our a is 2 and our b is minus 1 over 4x, and our n is 6. So we have to substitute in this formula to satisfy our expansion. Now, so n combination 0, that will be 6, which is n combination 0. Then 2 will be the first term here, raised to the power of n, which is power 6. Then my b is minus 1 over 4x to the power of 0. So the first power of 2 will be 6, and then it starts falling, while the first power of minus 1 over 4x is 0, and it starts rising. So we continue like that. 6 combination 1 follows. That's 2 raised to the power of 5, 6 minus 1, which is 5. And this is minus 1 over 4x to the power of 1. Plus 6 combination 2, 2 raised to the power of 6 minus 2. That will give me 4, bracket minus 1 over 4x to the power of 2. Plus 6 combination 3. So 2 to the power of 3, and then minus 1 all over 4x to the power of 3. So this is where the two powers are the same. So plus, continue like that, plus 6 combination 4, 2 to the power of 6 minus 4. That will give me 2, and then minus 1 all over 4x raised to the power, minus 1 over 4x raised to the power of 4, plus 6 combination 5, 2 raised to the power of 1, and then minus 1 over 4x to the power of 5 plus the last term, which is 6 combination 6, and 2 raised to the power of 0, and then minus 1 over 4x raised to the power of 6. So this is the last step. Now, this expansion, this is what we are going to do. We have to consider what the question says. Question says in ascending power of x, that is, the power of x should be rising. So this is how it will go. Assuming in descending power of x, that means the power of x should be falling. We have to consider that. Now, the next thing is to simplify what we have. We already know the definition of combination, and we can always use our calculator to simplify the combination stuff. So let's continue.